Hello there, time for another celebrity makeup bag, and it belongs to a true beauty chameleon. Actress Zoë Kravitz may have been blessed with incredible genes, but she's made her own ground in the industry and become known for many memorable makeup moments. Her high cheekbones, pillowy pout, and flawless skin helped make her the global makeup ambassador for YSL Beauty, so she's a fan of many of their glowy products. This is a little summary of some of my YSL product picks that Zoë and I had in common. Zoë says she loves a dewy look, and I'm completely on board with that. She regularly works with Nina Park, a celebrity makeup artist I really admire, and the pair really get creative, swinging from the most beautiful peachy pink neutrals and really natural looks to dramatic graphic eye statements. Some of my favourites include this breathtaking, subtly chiselled 2018 Met Gala look, a pink eyeshadow statement at the London Fantastic Beasts premiere, this year's Barely There Vanity Fair Oscar party makeup, and anytime she's in a red lip or winged liner, basically. Let's have a look at some of the products she's used along the way. YSL Touche Eclat might be one of the most famous products in the world, particularly in celebrity circles. Zoë calls this a life changer, a radiant touch highlighter pen to brighten the complexion in any way you like. The light sheer fluid really brightens under the eyes and blends seamlessly into the skin. Zoë says she uses this under the eyes too, around the nose, and to even out her skin tone. Nice to add a natural glow to cheekbones too. YSL Glow Shot is one of my go-to liquid highlighters. Zoë adds this to her cheekbones and on the bridge of the nose, perfectly placed. She's worn shade number 3, but number 2 Sunrise is my pick. Light, sheer, easy to blend. It packs a fair bit of punch with glow and luminosity, but it can be toned down with a very light layer too. Perfect champagne pink tone. This little brow tool is a beauty if you can still find it. YSL Couture brow marker sadly seems to be discontinued, so it's very hard to track down, which is such a shame because it's the handiest felt tip to thicken up your brows. Not scary and bold like a Sharpie, it's actually quite sheer. Zoë uses it to fill in and add definition, as it can do thin hair-like lines or wider strokes to subtly tint your brows. Cream blushes. Oh, you know I love these, and Zoë seems to too. These are both called Baby Doll Kiss and Blush, but my favourite formula is the Duo Stick in number 6 from Prude to Nude. This two-toned, smooth, creamy bundle of joy was responsible for Zoe's beautiful eye and cheek colour at the Met Gala last year. The light brown and peachy nude complement each other perfectly. I just love peachy nude shades to make your face look healthy and your eye colour pop, and I'm always making cream blush multitask as an easy eyeshadow. But then there's the Baby Doll Kiss and Blush Liquid in number 10 Nude in Salon, the liquid blush sister with a creamy, lightweight, slightly powdery texture. Zoë says she loves a little of this shade on her lips and cheeks. On me, it's slightly darker than my natural lip colour and a perfect just been out in the sun sort of flush on cheeks. It looks great as a complete colour blocking look too. One product for lips, cheeks, eyes, and you're done. She seems to love a bold lip as much as I do and says she's obsessed with one of YSL's latest formulas. The Rouge Pure Couture Slim has a unique diamond-shaped bullet, and Zoë says the texture is nice and velvety. The shade 9 Red Enigma speaks to me on a personal level as a red lover, and this wonderfully rich matte crimson is so pigmented it almost makes your lips look fuller. The bullet shape is a little tricky to master, but you can use the thinner edges to line the lips first. But Zoë loves to blow this formula out a bit for a less defined look. One non-YSL finishing touch, Caudalie is one of my favourite French skincare brands, and their beauty elixir is a cult classic face mist. It appeared in my recent Empties video, and Zoë loves it too, particularly after a flight to wake her up. She says she loves the minty smell, and it really is quite unique and intoxicating. A heavy mix of Caudalie's usual grape scent and peppermint. So refreshing. I'd love to hear if you're a YSL beauty lover too, and please share your favourite Zoë Kravitz makeup moments or styles down below. Too many to choose from. Oh, and I'm pleased to report a couple of much requested celebrity makeup bags are on their way in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.